If your home feels messy, no matter how often you clean, the problem might not be space, it's storage. Today, I'm sharing smart home and closet organizers that actually make life easier, especially for small spaces, dorms, and apartments. These are practical Amazon home finds designed to save space, reduce clutter, and keep everything easy to find. If you love simple organization upgrades that work, you're in the right place. And remember, all product links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Remote Control Organizer Caddy. This is Remote Control Organizer Caddy that keeps your living room clean and clutter-free. It features 5 spacious compartments designed to hold TV remotes, streaming controllers, phones, makeup brushes, or office supplies. Made with premium vegan leather, this remote control holder looks stylish on coffee tables, desks, or side tables. The open-top design allows quick access while keeping everything upright and visible. This TV remote organizer is perfect for homes with multiple remotes and busy families. It also works great as a desk organizer or makeup brush holder. The benefit is less mess and no more searching between cushions. If you want a simple way to organize remotes and small items, this desktop organizer is a practical and elegant solution. Bedsheet Storage Organizer Box. This is Bedsheet Storage Organizer Box, designed to keep your linen closet neat and stress-free. This bedsheet organizer features a strong structure with a clear, see-through window, making it easy to identify sheets without opening every box. The compact 15 by 13 by 5 inch size fits perfectly on shelves, under beds, or inside closets. Built with durable material, it protects your bed sheets from dust, moisture, and wrinkles. This bedsheet storage box is ideal for queen, king, or twin sheet sets, including pillowcases. The sturdy handles allow easy pulling and stacking. The biggest benefit is instant organization and time saving, especially for small apartments. If you want clean, folded sheets always ready to use, this sheet organizer container is a smart home storage essential. Clip-on Bedside Shelf. This is clip-on bedside shelf designed for beds without nightstands. It easily clips onto bed frames, bunk beds, or dorm beds without tools. The large 17-inch surface gives space for phones, snacks, books, glasses, and daily essentials. It includes a built-in cup holder to prevent spills at night. Made from sturdy material, this bedside shelf organizer stays stable and secure. It's perfect for dorm rooms, small bedrooms, and apartments where space is limited. This bedside tray helps keep everything within arm's reach while keeping the floor clutter-free. The main benefit is convenience and space saving. If you want an easy bedside solution without bulky furniture, this clip-on nightstand organizer is a smart choice. Over-Toilet Storage Cabinet. This is Over-Toilet Storage Cabinet designed to maximize unused bathroom space. Made from natural bamboo, it adds a clean and modern look to any bathroom. The acrylic door panel protects items while keeping them visible. It features adjustable shelves for towels, toiletries, and bathroom essentials. A built-in paper towel drawer adds extra functionality and convenience. This over-the-toilet storage unit is perfect for small bathrooms that need smart organization. The freestanding design fits securely over standard toilets without drilling. The biggest benefit is creating organized storage without taking floor space. If your bathroom feels crowded, this bathroom organizer rack helps keep everything neat, accessible, and visually appealing. Collapsible Pet Food Container. This is Collapsible Pet Food Container, designed for easy and clean pet food storage. It features airtight lids that keep dog and cat food fresh and dry. The collapsible design saves space when not in use, making it ideal for small homes. Built-in wheels and a strong handle allow easy movement, even when fully loaded. It includes a food scoop and a smaller container for daily feeding convenience. This pet food storage container works for dog food, cat food, or treats. The main benefit is freshness, mobility, and space saving. If you want a practical way to store pet food without mess, this airtight dog food container is a reliable choice. Clear Garment Storage Bags. This is Clear Garment Storage Bags, designed to protect clothes while keeping them visible. These hanging garment bags feature a 4-inch gusset, giving extra space for coats, suits, jackets, and shirts. The clear design allows quick outfit selection without opening the zipper. Made for closet storage, they protect clothes from dust, moisture, and wrinkles. Strong zippers ensure smooth opening and closing. These suit cover bags are ideal for seasonal clothing organization. The main benefit is preserving clothes while keeping closets neat. If you want better closet organization and long-lasting clothing protection, these clear garment bags for hanging clothes are a smart wardrobe essential. Laundry Hamper Shelf Organizer. This is Laundry Hamper Shelf Organizer, designed to simplify laundry routines. It features a sturdy shelf on top for detergents, baskets, or folded clothes. 2 pull-out removable laundry bags allow easy sorting of dirty clothes. Made with a strong frame, this laundry basket organizer fits perfectly in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or dorms. The elevated design keeps clothes off the floor and improves airflow. This laundry hamper with shelf helps separate colors and fabrics effortlessly. The biggest benefit is organized laundry with less mess. If you want a clean and efficient laundry setup, this dirty clothes hamper organizer is a practical and space-saving solution. Space-saving pants hangers. This is space-saving pants hangers designed to maximize closet space. Each hanger features 6 tiers with strong clips to hold pants, skirts, jeans, or shorts. The 360-degree swivel hook allows easy access from any angle. Made from durable materials, these closet organizer hangers prevent slipping and creasing. They are perfect for small closets, dorm rooms, and apartments. These space-saving hangers help keep clothes visible and organized vertically. The main benefit is creating more hanging space without adding furniture. If your closet feels crowded, these pants hangers with clips are an easy and affordable closet organization upgrade. Rolling Laundry Basket Hamper. This is Rolling Laundry Basket Hamper, designed for heavy loads and easy movement. It features 2 separate sections for sorting laundry by color or type. The large 37-gallon capacity handles family-sized loads easily. Smooth rolling wheels and a strong handle make transporting laundry effortless. A removable liner allows quick unloading and washing. Built with a sturdy steel frame, this rolling laundry hamper stays stable and durable. The biggest benefit is easy laundry sorting and mobility. If you want less lifting and more organization, this laundry basket with wheels is a reliable and practical laundry room essential. Hanging Closet Shelf Organizer. This is Hanging Closet Shelf Organizer, designed to create instant storage. It features 6 spacious shelves for clothes, towels, shoes, or accessories. The hanging design makes use of vertical closet space without tools or drilling. Made with durable fabric, it holds items securely while staying lightweight. This closet hanging organizer is perfect for small closets, apartments, and dorm rooms. It keeps items visible and easy to access. The main benefit is quick organization with minimal effort. If you need extra closet storage without permanent changes, this hanging closet storage shelf is a simple and effective solution. Rolling Kitchen Microwave Cart. This is Rolling Kitchen Microwave Cart designed for flexible kitchen storage. It features 3 tiers for microwaves, coffee machines, or kitchen essentials. 6 side hooks provide extra hanging storage for utensils or towels. Lockable wheels allow easy movement and secure placement. This utility cart works well in kitchens, dining areas, or small apartments. The compact design saves space while adding storage. The biggest benefit is mobility and versatility. If you need a small kitchen organizer that adapts to your space, this microwave cart storage stand is a smart and functional choice. Undersink Storage Organizer. This is Undersink Storage Organizer, designed to maximize cabinet space. It features 2 pull-out clear drawers with dividers for easy organization. The large depth fits tall bottles, hair products, and cleaning supplies. Made from durable clear material, everything stays visible and accessible. This under-cabinet organizer works in bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry areas. Smooth sliding drawers allow quick access without bending or digging. The main benefit is clutter-free undersink storage. If you want to organize messy cabinets efficiently, this undersink organizer is a practical and space-saving home solution. Drawer Organizer Storage Set. This is Drawer Organizer Storage Set designed to keep drawers neat and tidy. It includes 16 fabric bins in 3 sizes for underwear, socks, bras, and accessories. The foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. These drawer dividers fit dressers, closets, and wardrobes. Made with breathable fabric, they keep clothes fresh and organized. This drawer organizer set makes it easy to see and access items. The main benefit is saving time and reducing drawer mess. If you want clean and organized drawers, this clothes drawer organizer is a simple and effective solution. Space-saving hanger hooks. This is space-saving hanger hooks designed to double your closet space instantly. These heavy-duty hanger connector hooks allow vertical hanging of clothes. Made from strong material, they support multiple garments securely, perfect for dorm rooms, small closets, and apartments. These hanger hooks work with standard clothes hangers. The compact design helps reduce clutter and maximize storage. The biggest benefit is creating more closet space without renovations. If your closet feels overcrowded, these hanger space-saver hooks are an affordable and effective closet organization essential.